Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a qualified Ayurveda gynecologist. In today's video, I am going to share an original, authentic and Ayurvedic recipe of turmeric milk. This turmeric will boost your immunity, also good for your skin, good for your reproductive system, good for your digestion, and the most important, it keeps the cold away. So let's make this turmeric milk, but before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. So we are going to make this turmeric milk by sheer pak method. This method will improve the benefit of turmeric milk. So let's make it. For making 1 cup of turmeric milk, you need 1 cup of milk and prefer cow milk. Now add half cup of water. Now let it boil. After one boil, just slow down the gas and add 1/4 teaspoon of pure turmeric. Also add 4 black pepper and ½ inch of cinnamon stick. Slightly crush them. And now let it boil till the ½ cup of water evaporate. After this, where 1 cup of turmeric milk is ready, just strain this and you can drink this lukewarm. Curcumin is the active component of turmeric milk. This is really important. This is good for immunity, good for the healing. But when you make this turmeric milk by this method, this curcumin component will activate. Yes, and if it is activated, it is more absorbed by your body. So this method is best. Try to make turmeric milk by this method. Well, if you can't drink this turmeric milk like this, you can also add white crystalline sugar. But don't add jaggery powder or don't use jaggery because the nature of jaggery is also hot and this turmeric milk nature is hot. So take this with white crystalline sugar. You can drink this daily before 1 hour of your bedtime. But if you don't want to drink daily, you can drink this on alternate day. Also, this is very good for kids. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching my video.